Why can't I delete my Instagram account? So here, if you go here directly to your Instagram application and try to delete your account and you cannot do that, and there and you cannot do that, then it might be because you have a problem with your account. Now, you can only delete your account once you actually. So here, when you delete your account, your profile photos and videos, comments, likes, and followers will also be permanently removed, right? Now, when you delete your account, there might be because Instagram has this feeling that you do not own the account. Now, if you tap on delete account and you cannot delete it, that might be because of the security reasons why you can't delete your account. So you have to log into your account again. Try to log into your account for deletion. And of course, if you try to delete your account, they will ask for your password here. Now, if you cannot delete your account, then what you can do here is to ask help from Instagram community. Go to help here and just report a problem and ask for the Instagram account for the Instagram community to delete your account. The only reason why you can't delete your Instagram account is because of the security reasons, and the Instagram community might find it very shady or something like that. That's why you can't delete your account. So you have to be able to log into your account and of course request for your deletion. And if they ask for a password to confirm or verify your deletion of account, then just do it or give the password to them. And basically that's why you can delete your Instagram account. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.